Laser. So what is laser? Laser stands for light amplification by the simulated emission of radiation. One basic type of laser consists of a sealed tube containing a pair of mirrors and a laser medium that is excited by some form of energy to produce visible light, or invisible ultraviolet or infrared radiation. There are many types of lasers and each uses a different type of laser medium. Common laser media include gases such as argon or a helium and neon mixture, solid crystals such as ruby, and liquid dyes or chemicals. Each laser medium produces a beam of a unique wavelength and color.
History of laser. Dr. Theodore Maiman of Hughes Research Laboratories with the first working laser. Theodore Maiman developed the first working laser at Hughes Research Lab in 1960, and his paper describing the operation of the first laser was published in Nature 3 months later. Theodore Maiman made the first laser operate on 16 May 1960 at the Hughes Research Laboratory in California by shining a high-power flash lamp on a ruby rod with silver-coated surfaces.
What are lasers used for? Lasers are used for a variety of purposes including pointing out objects during a presentation, aligning materials at construction sites, and in the home, and by the doctors for cosmetic and surgical procedures. Many items you encounter on a daily basis use laser, including CD and DVD players, barcode scanners, dental drills, laser-guided tools such as levels, and laser pointers.
Why are lasers uniquely hazardous? Two characteristics of laser light contribute to the hazard. First, laser light can be emitted in a tight beam that does not grow in size at a distance from the laser. This means that the same degree of hazard can be present both close to and far from the laser. The eye can focus a laser beam to a very small, intense spot on its retina, which can result in a burn or blind spot.
What do you mean by laser radiation? Does it go through the body or cause cancer? Some lasers emit radiation in the form of light. Others emit radiation that is invisible to the eye, such as ultraviolet or infrared radiation. In general, laser radiation is not in itself harmful and behaves much like ordinary light in its interaction with the body. Laser radiation should not be confused with radio waves, microwaves, or the ionizing X-rays or radiation from radioactive substances such as radium.
How is laser made? A laser is created when the electrons in atoms in special glasses, crystals, or gases absorb energy from an electrical current or another laser and become excited. The excited electrons move from a lower energy orbit to a higher energy orbit around the atom's nucleus. When they return to their normal or ground state, the electrons emit photons or particles of light.
Light amplification is the process of intensifying the amplitude of an electromagnetic light wave. This process is generally classified into three major categories: laser, parametric, and scattering.
Importance of laser. Laser technology is very important in the modern world because it is used in many fields, most notably measurement, where it is used to give high accuracy results in measuring small and large distances. Laser technology is also used for the purposes of generating heat in industrial cutting process. It plays an important role in medicine, industry, and entertainment. Has resulted in fiber optic communication like CDs, CD-ROMs, and DVDs. Without lasers, there will be no supermarket bar, code readers, certain life-saving cancer treatments, or precise navigation techniques for commercial aircraft.
Thank you for taking time to listen. I hope you were able to take away something useful from our discussion.